Okay, before Tibor demonstrates some important processes of WMS MobileNAV, just a little bit of history. Why do we have those three letters in front of MobileNAV? So MobileNAV has been around for quite some time. This is a very extensible product that lets you expose and access your Business Central data and Business Central processes from technically any mobile device. It's built on the proven MobileNAV platform. We also supply you with our base configuration, which gives access for various industries like sales, job management, inventory management, and of course, one of the most important things in inventory management is warehouse management. MobileNAV being extensible allows you to easily generate your own warehouse configuration and roll it out quickly, push it onto the devices. But if you need something that is more not present in our out of the box, you can create your custom warehouse features as well. The thing is that for the years we've been approached with the same things over and over again. Our partners said that why don't we include this, why don't we include that? So we listened and we said, okay, it's probably better to build in some frequently requested features into WMS MobileNAV. Because what we believe is product code is better than project code. So you don't have to plan, you don't have to develop, debug, troubleshoot, you don't have to support these things. You can take WMS MobileNAV and use it for some advanced warehouse scenarios. So what are these three main areas? All of them is increasing accuracy in the inventory field, where we extended the physical inventory orders of Business Central. We allow double inventory counts, so you can have parallel teams, send them into the warehouse, tell them that you have to count these parts, and the second team needs to count the same part as well, and you can compare the differences, and if you find some discrepancies, you can manage that from the application and handle those discrepancies and variants. Huge areas is license plating. So you can have multiple logical groups of goods. So you can put items into boxes, boxes into pallets, pallets into physical containers, and we support all these warehouse operations like moving them as one or picking them as one. And of course, if you want to, you can explode the license plate and handle the contents individually. And the third big area is where you need to handle very frequent and high volume of orders. We provide features that are ideal for web shop and retail scenarios. You can do the picking process for multiple orders and pre-sort them into totes. So with the packing orders, you can actually perform packing faster. And finally, you can ship the orders to the customers. We have a sophisticated shipping integration what you can use. So all these three things are part of WMS MobileNAV. Besides that, you are getting a lot of stuff from the base MobileNAV features. The very tight integration with barcode devices, RFID reading, all the built-in warehousing functionality, picks, putaways, and of course offline mode as well. That means that you can use the mobile device in hidden places if you want. Okay, so what we are going to see today. So Christmas is coming, be aware of that. You cannot escape it. So we have a little web shop here, and our first stage is going to be picking. We have a few orders that we need to handle. So we can use this picking card, pre-sort the items, so it can be quickly handed over to the packing station. We will create some packing orders, and once we packed our goods and put all the necessary documentation into the boxes, we are going to move to the next step, which is going to be shipping. We have a lot of orders today, so we are going to use DHL as our external transportation company, but we will also have our own delivery with our own vans. And with the help of MobileNAV or WMS MobileNAV, we are going to take the boxes to the client, follow the routes of the driver and perform a card payment at the end. A quick review of the process. We have orders of some DJI stuff and JBL speaker. These are going to be organized into combined shipments and combined picks. The picking process will be performed using tote picking functionality, and the tote picking will help with the packing process as well at the next step. Today we have 5 orders. 2 of them will be handled by external parcel, and the other 3 will be handled by our own logistics. So with a few easy steps, we go from orders to hand over to the client. So it's going to be the whole process there.
So until the guys are sorting out this technical thing, basically what Miklos promised, I'm having 5 sales orders in Business Center already prepared, and I will go to the warehouse shipments, and I will quickly create a warehouse shipment for the first 2 orders. I will create a shipment for the purple location, and I use the standard get source documents to quickly select the first 2 sales orders for this shipment. Okay. As you can see, the shipping agent code is filled out with DHL and the shipping agent service code and so on and so forth. And what I need to do is just to create a pick for that. And I will use the sorting method for shelf or bin to give something like a journey in the warehouse for this combined pick in the system. So I will create the first pick now. I will create 1 additional shipment for the other 3. For the purple location, I use the get source documents there as well. Okay, and I will quickly fill out this because we will handle this with the own logistics. So it will be the next day delivery and delivery. Okay, and I will create a pick for the second one as well, the same way. So now we have 2 picks in the system, so please switch screens now, and so that you can see my screen hopefully. Okay, great. What I'm having in my head is the kiosk device, and you can see the screen of the device here. And what I will do is that I will start my journey with picking these items from the warehouse. So I will go to warehouse picks. And I walk into the Esha. We have created a small warehouse for you, basically. I'll maybe put it here to that everyone is seeing that. So I'm having something like a trolley, which contains a couple of totes, which I can basically put the goods into. This was from the practice, so it's not here. And I will select the first pick here. So once I'm selected, I will see that what kind of items I do need to pick. So I need to pick a GBL Go, to Osmo mobile action and action camera. So let's start with the first one. As the mobile application shows, I need to confirm 2 things: the item, so what I'm picking from the warehouse, and from where I'm picking, so the bin code. So let's first scan the item, which is the GBL Go item. So I'm scanning the barcode of the item, and it confirms the item number now. And it's also increasing the quantity to handle by 1 because I have scanned that barcode 1. So you can also count with the barcode reading with MobileNAV. And then I need to confirm the bin code, S02 in this case. And the last action is to choose a tote for this box. So I will choose a tote. On the screen, the user can see the tote suggestion field, which basically tells the user which tote he can use. So I will choose an empty tote for now, which is T01 for this item. Okay, and I press register. So let's go to the next item, which will be a DJI Osmo Mobile 7. I need to confirm the item first. So same thing, confirm the bin. And now the tote suggestion is saying that I can put this into the T001 bin, so into this very same bin as what I have used before, because these 2 items are going to the same customer. So the system helps the warehouse employee to basically pre-sort the items into different totes. For now, I will put it into a different tote. because I cannot put that into that, so I will scan the T02 for that. And I press register. Okay, next item. Scan the Osmo 7, confirm the WIN code. And now the tote suggestion is saying that I can choose any empty totes, but let's try to choose an already used one. And now I can see an error that I cannot put into that because these two items are not going to the same direction, to the same customer. So I need to scan a different one now. So I will use T04 for this one. And the last item will be an action camera. So I confirm the item, confirm the BIM, and I put it into this last tote. And I press register. So my pick has been finished. I have picked all the items, and I would continue now with the next round of the pick with all the items.
Okay, that's great. Thank you, Tibor. Okay, so just to sum it up, we have completed the first step of the pick, pack, ship. What we've seen is that we, with our tote picking feature, we can very, very easily pick and pre-sort the items. So the next stage, the packing will be much, much easier and faster. You can handle combined picks and combined shipments, and the tote pickings, the tote suggestions further reduce the possibility of errors and help the end user select the correct tote during the tote picking process. So Tibor, can we move to the next one?
Thank you. So as long as registered the picks, basically the system created automatically a so-called packing order. The packing order is a WMS MobileNAV document. It's not existing in the Business Central by default, but basically this document is basically the purpose for the packing process. On this packing order, you can basically register what kind of packages you create. These are the package lines basically. You can add their dimension, their weight, and basically on the delivery lines you can see what the packer needs to pack. So in this case, for the first order, I need to put a GBRGO and an Osmo Mobile 7 into the boxes. And finally, I can post it, and I can basically order the shipment either with the third party or own logistics. But this is not something what, again, you would execute from Business Central web client. So yes, we switch screens. Thank you. Okay, great. So I can scroll down on my device and I can go to the packing orders on the mobile device itself as well. So as my journey finished, I can put this trolley into the packing station. We don't have tables for here, but so I will do some packing in the air somehow. So basically you can also see the packing documents here. The first one is for Adatum Corporation. So let's open that one. I can see who is the customer, what is the packing date, what are the shipment details, and so on and so forth. And I can drill down to the packages, and there I can create my first package. On the package, you can select what kind of item are you using for packaging. Here you can imagine some boxes or some plastic containers, whatever you use for packaging. For now, I will choose a box 2. It's not a cartoon box, but I will put the things onto this one. And as I selected the item, my printer automatically printed out something like an identifier for the first box. And I can put that onto the package. This can be used later on for final controlling of the shipment. And on the tote suggestion screen, you can see that I need for this packing order, I need to put everything from T001 and T002 into these boxes, either one or multiple. So let's pull out everything from T001, so I can scan the T001 barcode to confirm that I'm putting that into this box. Okay, let's create another box, because let's imagine that this doesn't fit into that. So I will do the very same thing. So quickly select this second box. It will again print out some barcode for me. Okay. Okay, second box, and the tote suggestion is now just saying that I need to put the content of T02. So I scan that, and I put everything from there into the second box. I can also register some additionals. So if I drill down to the additionals, I can create some additional packing materials like fillers or tapes or whatsoever. So these can be basically configured in Business Central, what kind of items do you want to register or use for packaging. Okay, so I've registered everything. So I go back to the packing order header, and if I go to the lines, then I can see that I have basically successfully pegged the GPL Go and the Osmo 7 item. So all of them is having a check mark now, so I can press the release button. As I press the release button, the totals has been calculated, so all the number of packages, their weights, their dimensions, their value is calculated by the system. So let's print out, let's print out a package content document. And if everything goes right, then this printer will print. So basically what we are doing now is that we are printing out basically two documents. The first document will contain the first package content. This is what we're having one line, the GPL Go, so I can put that into the first box, and the second one can go into the second box as the package content. And now I will press the pause button on the packing order. This basically finalizes the packing order, and this is the point where the magic will happen. Now our solution is integrated with a shipping solution. In this case, IDIN Ship 365. And as you can see, the printer automatically printed out the DHL labels for these boxes. So I simply can put these labels to the boxes somehow. So I have two labels because we have defined two boxes in this case, and basically our packing order is ready. It's ready to be picked out by the DHL guys on the next day or in the afternoon.
So picking was smooth and easy, but packing was even easier. As you can see, if you use tote picking, you can pre-sort the items. Obviously, it's not mandatory, but it's a good way to make the packing faster. Then you can assign the packages to various delivery lines. We can use printers to print out all the necessary package materials and documents. And we didn't demonstrate it, but you can also handle quality check bins in case you find something that is damaged. We are almost done. People are eagerly waiting for goods to be delivered, so we have to move to the next stage, which is going to be shipping.
Okay, before we do the shipping, I will finalize the warehouse journey, and I will post these two warehouse shipments what we have just created. So I quickly press post on the first one. Okay, and post the same thing for the second one. So now we have two posted warehouse shipments and some posted sales sales shipments and sales invoices in the system. And please now switch the screens. Okay, great. So now I'm not using my scanner because now the time has come to do the own delivery or own logistics part of the story. In this situation, I will quickly log in with my mobile device using a barcode or QR code. This can also work on these warehouse devices as well. So I quickly log in to the MobileNAV application. And once I log in, I will go to the to the posted warehouse shipments. So basically there, you will see that I'm having this new 110 posted warehouse shipment, which was just posted from Business Central. So the driver can see that he's having some lines on this posted warehouse shipments. Basically, these are the customers who he needs to handle with this warehouse shipment, posted warehouse shipment today. So here you can see the stations, and on the posted warehouse shipment header you can see a show route button. So let's press that. And what happens is that we are communicating with the Google Map, and we are putting the addresses of these stations or customers to the map, so he can see something like a route on his mobile device, so he can start navigation from here. He can also reorder if he wants to do another order, sorry. So this is a nice integration with other applications. This is not done by MobileNAV. We are just calling Google Map to show the map with these address points. Okay, and let's imagine that the driver is traveling with light speed, and he already arrived to the first address, which is this Alpine ski house. And this is the shipment. So basically, he can check the lines here. He needs to give a GPI go and an Osmo Action camera to the customer. So let's just choose some items which I put to give to Miklos, and I go back to the posted sales shipment, and there I can ask for the signature of the customer that he can confirm, for example, the shipment. Okay, thank you. So the user has confirm the shipment, and I can also collect the money before he runs away. So I go to the posted sales invoice, and there I can see a button called Pay by Card, which I can press. And there we again integrating with the other applications on the Android platform. So there I can collect the money for this payment. So please. Yes, this for security reasons, it is not allowed to provide the screen for that, but I hope you can see it through the camera.
Not really.
Okay, whatever. So basically, you can imagine that we are launching another application, and there you can. Shall we do it again or no? Okay. So we have collected the payment. So if I go back here, then you can also see the log here that we have registered. There is a success payment. We are saving the transaction date for that and the amount what Miklos paid for that. And basically that's basically finishes the journey from the order to delivery. As you can see, so we have picked the orders, we have packed the orders, and either we shipped by DHL or own logistics. So that was the demo script for today.
Thank you.
So just to conclude what you've seen today and in the last step, we integrate with third-party parcel service providers, and via these providers you can use and reach hundreds of local delivery systems. You can do the parcel shipping directly from BC and print whatever documents and labels are necessary for the delivery process. And if you want to use your own logistics, we have a nice integration with Google Maps routing and credit card payments, and you can also capture the signature of the clients as well. So thank you for your attention, and see you at our booth at S43. Thank you. Bye.